sound good? How would you like to hold it? Arms, hold it right there. There you go, smile.
We're here at the festival today. There's a ton of really awesome vendors. They've got everything from plants, there's food, there's face painting.
I want a rainbow snake on my arm. Okay. But I can fire up in there.
This is probably what your neighbor has.
Disfrutamos mucho de los diferentes stands, la música. Mi parte favorita fue la comida. ¿Vamos?
Sí, una hora. For the bean and cheese, you need to wait like 7 minutes.
Go.
Such a good job, dude.
The Redbud Festival is all about showcasing Denton's sustainable commodities and communities.
We are here today celebrating Earth Month in the Redbud capital of Texas.
This one is called a mallow.
Yeah, I smell it.
Why don't you go over there and smell it, see what it smells like.
Fue un evento muy bonito.
We're having a really great time and I'm super excited to get my face painting done.